Alright, I got two great handguns. First, I got a Taurus 38 Special snub nose, black steel, 5-shot. It's honestly shooting. It's more of a self-defense weapon. The irons aren't that great. They're decent though. As far as shooting it goes, it's just a giant hand cannon. 10 yards. Found it possible to hit the bullseye. Very inaccurate. And on the other hand, I have, this is brand new, just bought it about a month ago. Only fired it a few times, but I've got a Sig Sauer 1911. It's a 22, so it's not a true 1911. But this is a fun little gun to shoot. This is the mag. Standard 9-round magazine. Got a nice wood finish on it. I know it's hard to see because of the light. But clean iron sights. Very fun, very accurate shoot. Very fun gun.